The Deferred Sales Trust, the artful game of capital gains tax exit planning. Let's start with this. I like to think of the financial world as one big, intricate football game. It's not just about rushing forward and making quick gains and scoring big. No, there's a finesse, there's an elegance when it comes to a strategy that's involved with planning anything, but especially like a football game. I played football in high school, and I love the ability to have timing, precision, strategy, positioning with the team, and doing it all together was a beautiful thing to see a play come to fruition. And so, the quarterback reading a defense and calling an audible and being able to change the play at the line of scrimmage, that's what makes all of the difference, to be able to, in real time, be able to make changes, make pivots, make adjustments so that you're in a better position. And so you may be wondering, what does this have to do with capital gains tax and something called the Deferred Sales Trust? Well, much like a smart quarterback, a savvy investor needs to understand the field and understand what's going on in the marketplace, and be able to adapt in real time to make the right moves. So what is a Deferred Sales Trust all about? Well, let's say you're a high net worth individual and you're looking to sell something of high appreciation. That's something that's $1 million net proceeds, $1 million gain. And it's perhaps a business. It could be a primary home. It could be cryptocurrency. And you're looking at making a substantial, touchdown. You're about to, cash out on a big opportunity. But wait, the game's not over yet. The IRS is the opposing team, and it's ready to tackle you with the heavy capital gains tax bill. And this is where the Deferred Sales Trust can make all the difference for you. And this is where it comes in. It's like a dependable offensive line. And so if you're the quarterback, you're exiting, you want to make sure you have an offensive line that's going to protect and help you preserve the wealth. And so the Deferred Sales Trust is a tax strategy that allows you to sell these assets, defer the capital gains tax, and take the payments or the interest and or the funds back slowly over time, a predetermined period of time. It's always set, preset to pay you. And you're effectively sidestepping and or pushing against the heavy tackle of capital gains tax, much like a quick running back going side to side who won't get pulled down, and or if you're running with that ball, you're going to get stripped and it's going to be a fumble. You want to have the Deferred Sales Trust as that protection, as that tax deferral strategy. And how does it all work? Well, it's pretty simple in that it's a legal contract between you and the trust. And this trust is going to pay you over time a predetermined amount based upon the net proceeds into the trust. So instead of just selling the asset directly to a buyer, you, as the seller, can sell it to a trust first, who then ultimately sells it to the buyer. And in essence, what it is, it's a seller carryback that allows you to defer the capital gains tax and, again, pay you over a period of time. Now, this method gives you some flexibility. And so, like a quarterback with multiple targets open, you can choose when and how you receive your payments. Also, you can manage the income to limit the overall tax liability. In other words, you don't take all of the income all at once. You can delay the tax, delay the income, and grow your wealth. As well, just like there's not a single play to run, in a football game, you want to run multiple plays, you have the opportunity to invest in different asset types at different times. So it can be real estate, it can be securities, it can be lending, it can be another business venture with you or with partners. And so it's not a one-size-fits-all solution for everybody, but it gives you ultimate flexibility within the constraints of the trust and working with the trustee. And that's something that a lot of folks have questions on, and we've made other videos on that. You can go to capitalgainstaxsolutions.com to learn more about that. We are a trustee for the Deferred Sales Trust. Love the opportunity to work with you. But when executed correctly, the DST has the ability to unlock freedoms that perhaps you really desire. Desire for location freedom, time freedom, 1031 exchange freedom, be able to invest back into real estate when it makes sense, and or be passive from investments. The ability is really flexible. Flexibility is really the main ability of the Deferred Sales Trust, and you want to be able to move in ways that can help you grow wealth on your terms. And so, much like a football game, victories in the financial arena are achieved through strategic maneuvers, careful planning, and occasionally a bit of a flexible strategy that helps you to grow your wealth. And when you have the Deferred Sales Trust in your playbook and a team to help you execute on the Deferred Sales Trust like Capital Gains Tax Solutions, you're in a much stronger position to take on the defense and keep driving forward to grow your wealth and unlock the freedoms you're looking to do. Hey, if we can be of any help to you, we would love the opportunity to work with you and your team to map out a strategy and a game plan so that you're not tackled by the big capital gains tax IRS coming down on your sale. Go to capitaltaxsolutions.com to get started right now. It's capitalgainstaxsolutions.com, and we're going to teach you how to build an effective capital gains tax exit plan. You can also look for the new book that just got released, Building a Capital Gains Tax Exit Plan, with Kevin Harrington from Shark Tank in the book and a number of other multifamily operators and financial advisors. Go to capitalgainstaxsolutions.com. Thanks so much for watching this video.